I'm Dr. Dan McKeska, and I'm here to provide a little info on the Foundations of Medical Fitness Specialist course. A question I get a lot is, why is this course needed? The short answer is because it's likely you are already working with someone who has a chronic disease. And according to a recent poll by the American College of Sports Medicine, the majority of trainers have admitted to working outside their scope of practice. If a personal trainer provides orthopedic rehab advice to a client who comes in with a sore shoulder from golf or tennis, if you provide nutritional advice to the client who wants to get their summer beach body, or if you massage a client who complains of tight hamstrings or trap without relevant training that provides a course of study and a comprehensive exam, you are most likely working outside your scope of practice. Think about it. Chronic disease accounts for almost 70% of all deaths in the United States, and at least 50% and maybe as many as 60% of the adult U.S. population has at least one chronic disease, and 25 to 40% have two or more chronic diseases. It's important to understand that when a trainer accepts a client, the trainer is suggesting to the client a safe workout will be provided, and the client will not be subjected to undue stress or risk of injury. As you look over this list of KSAs needed to work with clients who have one or more chronic disease, keep in mind that a basic personal training certification allows a personal trainer to only work with apparently healthy clients and does not cover most of these requirements. If you want to be on the front line of healthcare by aiding in the management and prevention of chronic disease, if you want to position yourself as an essential part of the healthcare and business community, if you want to expand your scope of practice to the largest, fastest growing demographic in the United States, if you want to gain credibility and network with other healthcare providers, if you want to earn valuable continuing education credits and increase your income by expanding service offerings, then please consider the Foundations of Medical Fitness Specialist course.